What a rubbish sleep I had. But hey, the date, 30th of the 3rd, 2022, Asian session. Couldn't sleep very good last night. So we had the end of day here. Lower low confirmed, lower high confirmed. Into Asia, we got higher low. Drawn me trend line and waited. Watched a bit of news, chilled out, and then we got that break. This bearish candle here. So as soon as we got that break, sort of cheered me up a bit because I couldn't sleep. So I waited for that retracement up towards the 8, which you can see here, and I got in short, and I set my target to these weekly wicks I'd already marked down the chart. So it just smashed through to my TP1, which again I'm setting at 25 pips at the moment. 25 pips stop loss, 25 pips to my TP1, and then I move my second position to break even and set it my overall target down here for an overall 67 pips. I'm in the UK here, so the time at the moment is 06:48. So we're coming in towards European market open and then London open. See how the day goes. But going back to yesterday, I discussed all this in my previous video. But what I didn't discuss is my third position I'd taken. So what we'd seen is we drew our trend lines like so, which, like again, we discussed. We got that break north, and then I discussed how I got in early anyway because of these closes against the trend line here. Respected it, and so I got in, and anyway, so I got to me TP1, so my second position when it returned back down towards the 8, would have got stopped out break even. So overall profitable position. But if I hadn't got in earlier today, this bearish candle here would have been our confirmation at the 8 to go long, which happens. Don't win them all. So this would have been a losing trade if I'd stuck to my trading plan. This one here, but this fake out here long and having that flexibility about your trades, it doesn't mean, oh, well, you know, oh, I'm wrong and that's it. But well, for me, I seen that and then I seen this. So even though I don't like to go to that third trade in a day, you can see here why I decided to take that third trade. There's the fake out, and then here we had this bearish candle which broke our trend line here, high low, trend line drawn, bearish break, waited for the retracement back towards the 8, which we got on this candle here. When I move it, you can see it, the wick, and got in short. So let me explain why 2 seconds here. There you go. My close here was based on my overall target wasn't here. My overall target was down to this weekly wicks here level. The reason I closed out after this bearish candle is having that flexibility about your trading and seeing this area here, seeing the respect of this area. So I was happy with that 85 pips. So I just closed it out, and we got that retracement up. And so because I'm scalping, you know, to swing this position and hold on, we would have still been in this position because it wouldn't have stopped us out. We would have been straight back down and straight through. Yeah, but because I'm not swing trading, I'm scalping. Sometimes I will scalp and then into a swing position and hold on. But you can see here why I look for a resistance area here. Got that, stuck my profits here. Great trade. But I'd rather do that and then wait for the next position rather than holding on for a long term. Yeah. So that's it for now. So I'll make, this is an Asian session video, so I'll make, depending on how today goes, I'll make a London session video also today. Enjoy your day, enjoy your trading.